Yeah, traveling and hospitality, all those things are going to be a bit of a challenge a little later this week with those models coming in. Wow.
Yeah, you know, I was just looking at some of the latest data coming in tonight, and boy, we're going to go from just sort of quiet, mundane weather tomorrow and Tuesday to a whole different type of scenario, Wayne, by Thursday and into Friday. If you have travel plans coming up for the holiday season, or actually for Christmas, I should say, you're definitely going to want to stay tuned to this forecast I'm about to give you because it is changing by the minute. 22 degrees, definitely not changing up there at Mount Hood Meadows. They got a lot of snow on the ground there, folks enjoying some snow. Today of skiing and snowboarding. Highway 26 over Government Campus, a still shot from our ODOT camera. You see a few inches of snow there, packed snow and ice up over Highway 26 summit there, so be careful if you're out there. Subaru Portland camera, downtown Portland. 40 degrees in your 10 o'clock hour, 86% relative humidity. That wind is east at 3 miles an hour. And you notice on that evening planner overnight tonight, we're going to back off those showers and turn it to more cloudy. And no rain coming up overnight after these showers sort of peter out tonight. You see just a few there in southwest Washington now. A little bit of snow mixed in up above about 1,500 feet, but that's not going to play an issue tonight. Now, normal high 46 for the day, and we were at 45 in Portland, 45 Vancouver, 44 Salem. A lot of 40s up and down the I-5 corridor and along the coast as well. And Burns, boy, just 8 degrees for a daytime high there. They were 15 below last night. Our weather headlines, well, mostly cloudy on your Monday and Tuesday, so we'll call it a dry start to the early part of the week. And then tracking that Arctic air, snow and freezing rain possible by the end of the week. We'll get to that in a minute here. Day planner in the morning, just cloudy skies, temperatures in the 30s to get you out the door. And we're going to top out right there in the low 40s, again, with just a risk of a passing shower. Now, I want to bring up this surface map because right now, tonight, if I were to back this up here, I left it on this still frame for a reason. Arctic front there is right about Seattle right now. That's going to sag down over the Portland area by about this time tomorrow night, about 9 o'clock or so. We'll be right on the edge of colder Arctic air, and that sets the stage for how the rest of the forecast is going to play out coming up later in the week here. Now, we'll show you on Futurecast. There's your cloudy Monday morning to start. Here's 10 a.m., few passing showers, and then we get into Tuesday. Another system pushes through. This will be an all-rain event, temperatures in the low 40s on Tuesday. Notice the southerly wind blowing. But then as we get into Wednesday, that system, that Arctic front, kind of drops down south over Portland. And then we get into sort of the zone where Wednesday's a calm day, maybe even get a little sun breaks. But look at this, by Wednesday night, strong gorge east wind as that Arctic air begins to push into the Portland metro area from the east side of the Cascades. And then on Thursday evening and into Friday morning, models are pretty insistent that a system's going to come in off the coast, go up over the top of that cold dome of air over us. And this would be a freezing rain scenario. It'd probably start out as snow. All the pink would be freezing rain, and that would continue into the gorge well into your Christmas holiday weekend. So you're going to want to stay close here to Coin 6 coming up online and on air all week long. Natasha and Kelly will have updates on the forecast here. So we'll call it a passing shower on Monday, then a chance of showers Tuesday. Notice those temperatures in the 40s. Then Wednesday is a dry day. We start to cool it down, but it's Wednesday night when the strong east wind picks up. The temperature drops rapidly overnight. And Thursday, models insistent that we don't get above freezing on Thursday and Friday. And the timing of that system, somewhere in there between Thursday and Friday, snow to freezing rain across the metro area, and that would continue into Saturday in the gorge as well on your Christmas Eve. So Wayne, all eyes on the forecast this week as we continue to refine it.
Yeah, a lot of people travel up through the gorge on 84 too, so it should be very interesting. All right, thank you, Steve.